KT fam, I'm back with another video. I'm back with another trucking video. First of all, sorry I've been gone so long, but yeah, I have no excuse. So anyway, we just came from Texas with this load, Irving, Texas, and we are headed to Oregon for like the 4th time. So last time we went there, we took I-84 to get there, and I did not get the view of those beautiful mountains. So that is my goal for today. But I'm also gonna be vlogging, so like I'm gonna go, well, I just started, but we're like halfway on fuel. So when I take my 30, I'm gonna fuel, so I'll get that. And I think that's it. But give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. We're currently at a rest area, and it's super beautiful outside. And we're in Utah now, right?
Yeah. We did that too.
Okay, we're in Utah now. I literally am like just right now about to take over. So yeah, let me show you my little view that I have right here, and then I'm gonna start getting driving. Let's go. First of all, look what I do for y'all. It's 49 degrees outside, and I'm getting my butt out here. Look at this. Let me get out. Okay, wait, are you guys gonna be able to see this view? Oh, look at these mountains, they're so beautiful. So like, we parked where the cars are supposed to park, but fuck them. Sorry, no offense, but yeah. Where's the moon? I think the moon went down already. So beautiful. You guys, honestly, the camera does it no justice. I'm not gonna lie, the camera does these mountains no justice whatsoever. Oh, the sun's about to start coming up. All right, so let me get to this drive, and yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to come back, and I'm trying not to be lazy, and I'm trying to record, but it's not that easy, and I still haven't edited the Q&A because we still haven't taken a reset, because we've been working off recaps, because we don't want to take a reset because we're going home time soon. So yeah, anyway, all right guys, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm about to fuel. I just closed this thing for like a little bit of privacy, because you know sometimes people will be looking at me and like get awkward and stuff. So yeah, a little bit of privacy right there. But yeah, so I'm about to fuel, but I'm not gonna show you guys me actually fueling. Instead, I'm just gonna show you like how much it costs, because I do get like some questions asking how much it costs to fill up the tanks. You know, there's 2 tanks, and I'm gonna show you how much fuel I have right now, which is like 3/8, and then I have like half a tank of DEF. So I'll show you how much it takes to fill up both. And no. I don't feel like being recorded today. You know what I mean? But yeah, and that's it. So yeah, this is how much it takes to fill up the fuel. Ooh. Okay, y'all see what the gas is on right now? So like 3/8. Okay, another thing I want to show you, like not cash advance, skip that one. But like when I want to buy washer fluid, I would push yes right here, but we don't need it because I just stocked up on some. But yeah, I would push yes, and then when I'm done fueling, I would just go inside and oh my god, I can honestly see myself talking right there. I would just go inside and get it, and it would just go on the receipt as part of it. I wouldn't have to pay for it. Okay, so that's how much it took to fill it up. See, I put it away. It's all done, both sides. Now I'm gonna show you how much to fill up that DEF. It was like at half. Okay guys, so that's it for the DEF. That's how much it took. Actually, I didn't even put it away yet, but it's done. It just slides back in there. And that's it. Go. This is the power walk of somebody who has to make an emergency bathroom stop. Oh Jesus. Yes, guys, the struggles of being a truck driver. Sometimes it happens. Luckily, this one was like 5 miles away. Meanwhile, look look at the nice scenery. Yeah, I'm cutting through this shit. I got to go. I got to go. Well, that was fun. Now back to the road.
In this faulty game, and all the words you speak mean nothing more to me, 'cause
You guys, I know I look so crazy right now, but like, this is the most beautiful view ever. So I just stopped at a Pilot because me and Eliante are about to switch. She's about to take over. We're like an hour and a half from the stop, and then we're gonna pick up in Washington. But I'll be sleeping, so I won't be recording that. But anyway, let me show you this view. It's just too beautiful. Like, you already see the mountains behind me. Oh my god, I have to turn the camera around because this water is just something else.
start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
To be honest, the camera doesn't even do it that much justice, but it's so beautiful, I promise you. We are on I-84 in Oregon. I don't know exactly where I'm at right now, actually. I should let you know, but yeah. So I'm just enjoying the view, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So I'm just gonna eat a little something, and then probably sit in the front, bother my girlfriend for a little bit, and then go to sleep. So make sure you give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. streets a few months. I'm trying to